Analytic Jena India Private Limited, and Andres Hauser Company. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. It's my pleasure to be here together with you.
I see a lot of test and measuring instruments that you are showcasing in this Pharma Expo. Would you talk about what new products that you have showcased?
Thanks for asking these interesting questions. And as you can see on my right side, we have put on a display a beautiful new machine of ICP OES, which was launched in the world just a few months back. And we take pride in putting this actual live machine. Of course, it's not running, but it's a real machine on display for the simple reason because this has certain interesting things which we thought to present to our customers in India. And as you can see, this machine with this design, it's a beautiful compact machine. Takes a very little footprint. As you know, ICPS OES is absolutely high technologies to know many elements on the process samples. In addition to this compactness, what it does also do is, if you see its resolution, is like the industry leading benchmarks. It basically sets, and of course, other feature, if I have to say, that in comparison to any machine of ICP OES, the start time is nearly less than half of any other machines which will take. So that means for customers, if they are to switch on and start the process, their wait time is far lesser as compared to the others. And if I have to say furthermore, for customers all over the world and more so in India, the consumption of energy, consumption of on a regular basis, this is far more efficient. So which means less consumption of gas, less maintenance over the period of time. It makes it super efficient if you talk about total cost of ownership. So we are very competitively positioning this product for the Indian market, for the customers, and I'm pretty sure that between yesterday was also a great response that we received from some customers who came and saw this, and I'm really looking forward to really bring this new machines to the new customers who are coming to our stores.
What are the use cases that you see in the pharma and life sciences segment?
Naturally, ICP OES is a technology which is established in pharmaceutical and not only pharmaceutical but also in for environment, metals. Many industries use this technology of ICP just to know many elements. India as such is going in that journey of having high precision of measurement through the lab when they are going for high product development or ensuring high quality products are coming to the Indian market because consumers are demanding that, and with the regulations also coming up in that way. So these machines are naturally coming in that platform. But I would say yes, this is interesting for us to bring such machines and equipments for the customers.
With the pharma industry moving towards high-end products, moving from a generic, so where do you see these kind of machines fit in the overall scheme of things for pharma manufacturing?
So naturally, when you go for high-end pharmaceutical, India is already becoming or already playing a big role in the global generic market, or also producing a large amount of pharmaceutical products for the world. It definitely needs high quality because different countries have different quality standards. What these machines do is they ensure that your quality is well detected through the machine. When some samples are brought to the labs, then they are well detected and they meet the best standards in the world. So this way we can ensure India remains, India grows as a leading quality producer for the world.
Apart from what you have displayed here, sir, what kind of lab equipments or what kind of equipments which will go in the R&D pharma R&D is what that you are promoting in the country.
Thanks again, and you can see the another machine which I have, this multi NC 4300 UV TOC, which I mentioned. For example, the water which is used in pharmaceutical needs to have a highest measurement of carbon content, carbon footprints in that water, because purity or impurity plays an important role, because if you are injecting something to the patients or exporting such liquids, then it needs high measurement of those carbon. And what this machine interestingly does is, you can see this is very high compact machines again. All it does is a very limited consumables, which means as compared to any other players in the market, we have very little consumables. So that means the uptime of the machine is certainly far higher. Your consumables cost certainly is far lower compared to the competition, and I am sure these ease of running the machines will make a lot more customers to own such technologies in the future and deliver a better quality. Of course, there are markets which measurement can be done with other technologies also, or other players also. But what it does mean is we bring at a very competitive price as a total cost of ownership. And this is what we are excited about, and this is what we really want to promote. We are taking steps through these exhibitions. We want to reach to customers. We are not there yet. We have a lot more markets to be reached. We need to build brand awareness. We need to bring awareness of these technologies to our esteemed customers. And I'm sure these are the great platforms for us to bring such awareness and also share about technology. As the market develops, we are also at some point in time, if it permits or allows us to make some larger local contents and also support that how we can bring down the cost further for the market.
You also have products on QA/QC?
We have, but I would say that we have different ranges of product. We can go into details about it, but then for different industries it works differently. And we also have certain interesting products for the sample preparations, for example. We also have interesting products which can help in automating this one through the liquid handling systems, which basically are utilized in various quality labs. But of course, we are not in chromatography, for example. We are a niche player basically on these technologies on the chemical analysis sites. And I'm pretty sure that with the niche play that we play, and we want to do a good job in this segment, and we will be happy to contribute more in the future by bringing greater technology in the QC as well.
How has been the response for Analytic Gena products in the pharma space?
I would say,
and where do you plan to take it up?
I would say, okay, when it comes to the exhibition, yesterday was the day one, better than last year. For me, this is the first time appearing for this one, and I've been told compared to last year, this has been a great start. I also understand that day two is a crucial day when a lot more players or customers come here, and I'm really excited to be here for the whole day today. Secondly, I also see that that these kind of technologies, we can bring it up to the more and more players between today and tomorrow. And we are looking forward for this to be an exciting day, to be honest. When it comes to the pharmaceutical per se, I would say we are also building our strength in the southern market, in the western market of India, which is the prime hub for pharmaceutical. So we are also bringing more salespeople closer to customer, more service people, signing up some partnership with some service partners. And with these actions, we are confident that we can reach more customers and we can listen to the customer's problem and bring the more solutions in the future.